Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set language filters in the safety options section on the Tellonym application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the X button down below or your profile icon down below, which is the last option. Then click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen, scroll down to the safety section and click on the first option, safety options. Here you can find the language filters. Here you can set it by the help of this slide. As you can see, the lowest is the very low, meaning that these are almost not active and only filters messages which are obviously not appropriate. Then the second level is the low level, which means that safety filters are active, but only filters messages which are most likely not appropriate. Then you have the medium option, the high option, and the very high. If you would like to, you can also adjust the filters by yourself, such as sexual harassment, offenses, and spam level. And you can also add additional settings, meaning that you will get tells only from registered users of the app. So that's how you can set the safety filters by yourself. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.